to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the meant to be stamp and die cuts, and I just wanted to show you some little tricks for stamping your bees. So I found two main ways. Now, the way you're going to want to stamp your bees is stamping in the yellow first. It's always easiest to put it on a dark background. Stamp it on the yellow first, and if you've got a craft background, you're going to need to move it around a little bit or get a squishy mat. And then you'll want to take your little bee butt and stamp. But I had a little bit better luck when I started with the little bee butt, because somehow I could kind of get his little point into the little point and measure out the sides. See, right there, I aimed a little bit better. And then when I do the little yellow part, now I can use the black as a guide for where the yellow belongs. And I found that quite a lot easier. So there we go. Well, it's not perfect either, but it's more perfect. And then, oh, that's a little one. Then we have our little wings, our little bee buzzing wings. And this one's a little tricky too, because you can hardly see in there. But I found that if you just shifted it around and then set it straight down, I had pretty good luck aiming with it. So it's just a little bit of practice, but you just got to kind of scoot it around until you can see or not see any white on the edges. But it really, really helps to get yourself a black background. So anyway, I hope that helps you stamp your cute little bees. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.